All right, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily make changes to your website using our InfiniBuilder. First of all, you need to be logged into the website. Then navigate to the page that you want to change and just go up to the top and click InfiniBuilder. All right, now that loads the page editor. So we'll scroll down to, let's say, this section. Let's say we want to remove that photo from the background and make it a solid background. You just click the wrench icon right here. And then over on the side, it brings up all the options. Well, let's scroll down a little bit. And you can see right now the background is set to photo for the type. So let's change it to color. Now you'll notice it's already changed colors, but there's no color assigned to it. So if there's no color assigned, it uses the page background color instead of just this section. So now let's choose that and let's go to some preset colors we have. We'll go with the dark gray. Okay, that looks more like what I want, but that text is not going to work for me. We need to make sure it's high contrast so people can read it. So we click the icon and make sure we're on the style tab of that heading element and choose this color, and let's choose white. Close that. That looks better. And let's do the same thing for the smaller text. So same thing, we're on style and color. I will just click FFFFF. Okay, now you know what? I actually want to add a photo here too. So let me hit save here. That gets rid of the dialog box I was working on. And I have all these options of things I could add. I'm going to choose photo. I just drag it over to where I want it. And then it's going to ask me, let's go to general here. It's going to ask me the photo source. I could use a URL, but most of the time you're going to use media library. And I'm going to say select photo. I need to upload this photo, so let's choose this one right here. Choose. And then it sees it, and we just say select. So now our photo's in there. If we did want to make this a different size, we just drag it and resize it. So I like it being right about there. Okay, so that is that change. We could actually take this whole section and grab these arrows and move it up above this section. So now we've reordered the content on our page. Let's say I wanted to, I want to take this and move it to the other side of this. So you can see I can drag it and move it pretty much wherever I want. Now we have an orphan right here. So we'll just click that to get rid of it. And now actually that looks even better. I'm going to resize that just a hair. There we go. Now I'm happy with it. So if I wanted to save the changes, I would just go up to done and hit publish. I don't actually want to hit save the changes, so I'm going to say discard. Okay. And now you can see the content actually was not changed because I discarded the changes, but that's how you would make changes to the website. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email to support@infini.systems.